Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So a few days ago I tried another attempt to visit the Gucci store in Las Vegas again, this time avoiding the one at the Crystal Shops because they weren't that friendly to me the last time, and going for the more pleasant and more friendly Gucci store at Caesar's Palace. And if you plan your trip correctly and you're willing to do a little walk outside, you can get in and out of the forum shops in under 30 minutes. So I entered the self-parking from Frank Sinatra Drive, parked my car close to the staircases, and then walked down and across the street to the valet parking at the forum shops, which takes you right underneath the central square in the middle of the forum shops without having to go through the front entrance or get anywhere near the Las Vegas Strip. Just in and out. Anyway, I decided to buy a new baseball cap, and here's a little recap of me unboxing the little gift to self. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Let's unbox the new Gucci hat that I bought. This is the old one. Very familiar. This is my latest hat that I bought, the Fendi hat. Let's go look at this one. It's a new model. It's a dark gray denim hat with the leather border there, and a leather strap here. So initially when I went online, it looked more like light gray, but in reality it's pretty dark. But it is this type of denim. So yeah, it looks casual, but also very stylish. So there you go. I mean, the quality is so much better than the Fendi that I have here. And the Fendi wasn't cheap either, but just the you know, the stitching is mediocre. And then this top button fell off at one point, so I had to push it back. It's no, it's not nearly as the quality that you would have expected from Fendi. But Gucci is so much better. It's so much. Alrighty, well there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. So yeah. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this new hat. And if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.